Hello, welcome to Ellis Online. So, you've downloaded the Lynk app, right? Watched the video, but you're still not clear on what to do. Well, my friends, you are at the right place. We'll be right back after this brief intro. Okay, welcome back. So, as said before, the first thing you are going to do is download the Lynk app. Download link is provided in the description, or go to your App Store or Play Store and download it from there. Once you download the app, open it up and start the sign up process. You need an active Jamaican phone number to sign up. Enter your mobile number in the place provided, then create a password, or you use your fingerprints to unlock. One quick security tip: never use birthdays or easily guessed names and number sequences for your password. Okay, you're doing great. Let's continue. Now verify your phone number. They will send a code to the number you provided. Now that your phone number is verified, enter all information in the required boxes. Where it says, verify email address, you place the same email you entered above, and you are verified. The next step is to verify your identity. This can be done with any of the following: a passport, a driver's license, or national identification card. If you use your driver's license, you will not need to input your tax registration number, as this information is already on the driver's license. However, if you use your national identification card, you will need to provide your tax registration number. You will need to take a picture of the front and back of your national identification card. All information on the card must be clear and not blurry, or it will not be accepted. Once the pictures are accepted, you will need to do a face verification. Just follow the easy guide provided. See, you are almost done. Oh, here is one small thing you can do, so we can link up. Click on that subscribe button below. We would really appreciate it. Thank you. Let's continue. Once their checks are finished, they will send a verification email to the email you provided. As soon as you get that email, go to your inbox, open it up, verify your account, and you are all set.